Today we're going to make decorative watermelons out of walnuts. You can either pick these up or pick them up in the craft store. These are the ones that's already done, so you can see what they look like. You can even drill a hole in them, put a stick in them and use them that way. Or at the end, we're probably going to load them into a truck, which I'll show you at the very end of the video. All right, the two colors we're going to be using is Holly Branch and Spring Green. See, I've already painted one side of these nuts. I have used the heat gun to dry them, and I'm going to flip them over and paint the other side. You can also use these Easter eggs and paint them in case you want bigger ones down in the bottom to give it a little bit more support to the smaller ones on top that are so cute. Okay, we're going to add our accents for our watermelons. And they're just really little dark green lines. You can do them any way you want to. Just like that. Okay, since we did full watermelons, we are going to do a half a watermelon. These little wooden half watermelons come from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint them. And this is just the outside of a hollowed out walnut, and it's been painted green. And then that way we'll have full watermelons, half watermelons, while I'm waiting on my eggs to dry. Okay, I opted for, instead of painting, to use the markers with this. So this is the before and this is the after that's going to go on here. So I'm going to work on this second one and then hot glue them on. Okay, both pieces are ready, and they're ready to hot glue to here. So we're going to hot glue those, and we'll have half a watermelon. Another idea, if you want to take one of your eggs like we painted earlier, you can use the X-Acto knife, cut it in half, paint the outside green, inside red, and put you some seeds in there, and you've got another half a watermelon to go with this. I've also decided to make me a little sign to go outside of my truck when I fill it. And I painted the outside green, inside red, and I want to paint this black part white, and add a watermelon sticker that you can just pick up at any Dollar Tree. When I'm done, I'll show you the finished product. All right, my sign is painted and complete, ready to go. And when it gets good and dry, I'm going to add my watermelon and maybe a couple little things. Okay, I've got my little sign ready to go with my watermelons, and every picnic needs ants. So we've got a couple little ants in there. And I'm going to make my bow and attach it here. Here's another idea. This is just a Dollar Tree sticker. Attached it to this. And I like the little ants. Ants are always around the watermelon. Okay, here's our finished product. Our truck with our watermelons, our little sign with our ants. I put ants on the side and a watermelon, and here's your little sign to sit beside of it. If you don't have a truck that you can redecorate for whatever holiday you want, pick one of these up at the Dollar Tree, paint it whatever colors you want, and fill it full of your watermelons. Thank you for enjoying my first video with me, and I'm off to the produce stand to get me a watermelon.